Welcome back to our discussion on the purchase order system. We are now ready to receive units on our PO for the ZTT42 tractors. Receive purchase orders. Enter in the PO number 225, or as in the other systems, you may press F4 to pop your search options. We did not receive all 5 of the units, so we will do a partial receipt. First, we want to receive a unit to satisfy our customer back order. Mouse click on the line which is indicated by the check in the BO column. We can see that we ordered 1 unit and we have 1 unit left remaining to receive. It will default to quantity to be received of 1. This is correct, so we will just press enter and then enter again on the add button. This screen allows you to begin creating the serialized record. All of the product code information will default. You now need to add at least the serial number and your cost information before saving. Our model year is a 2010. We'll add our serial number. This tractor does not have an engine or secondary serial number, so we may leave those fields blank. Remember, we had free freight, so we will leave that 0. Our miscellaneous fee is an internal paperwork fee. Our unit cost is correct, but you could make adjustments to that amount if needed. You may enter any additional information in the form of notes. We don't have any to add at this time. When finished, use the mouse or the F2 button to save. When completely finished with this PO line, you will use the mouse or the F2 button again to save this information. Now we want to receive 2 of the 4 stock units on our purchase order. Again, highlight the line and use the mouse to select it. This time you can see that we ordered 4 and have 4 remaining to be received, but the quantity to be received needs to be changed to 2. Press enter and enter again on the add button. We will enter all of the information on this first unit just as we did the last one. No serial or secondary number for our model. No freight. Paperwork fee. Cost is correct. No notes. Press F2 to save. This time, you can see that the screen automatically moved to the next record. We not only have the product code information, but all of the shipping information is carried forward from the first entry as well. If all of the cost and notes remain the same, all you need to do is enter the serial number, and then press F2 to save this record. Review all of the serial numbers you have created. If you spot a typo or see a serial number assigned to the wrong model, highlight the line and then press either Edit or Remove. Once you are satisfied that all of the information is correct, press F2 to save this receipt. Make a final review so that you know all of the units received are actually correct, and then press F2 or use the mouse to select the Save button. You have one more chance to make corrections. If you need to make a correction, answer no. If you are ready to proceed, answer yes. This final save will post the receipts to your journals and will update the inventory. If any items on your purchase order represent a back order, you have the option to print a back order tag. If you decide to require tags, answer yes. The tag will be printed on your receipt printer. It includes the customer name, company, and phone number, the date of receipt, the invoice number, the product code, and quantity received. This information allows you to call the customer and tell him his parts are in, or to identify the serialized good that needs to be assigned through service. Our next step is to invoice this purchase order. See you then.
The Discovery System. The power is in the links.